Basketball basketball season is underway and we are in full go. Tryout season is over and it's time to play some basketball games. So of course we are going to be a lot more focused in our training. I told you I'm going to get out there, start hurting my knees and my back just so we can attack, hit jump shots, lock up and play D, and be in shape, ready to play. 32 minutes, 28 minutes. For some of those states that don't have shot clocks, you might just be standing for 32 minutes. But either way, you'll be ready to play. Basketball U, it is the Daily Trainer. I'm back once again. And I'm back with my favorite 3 questions I've been asking for a couple weeks now. And that is, are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? And can you make plays while you're tired? Oh, baby. Yeah, if you can't answer yes to all those questions, you can't expect success. All right? So, with saying that, let's get started. Oh, yeah, we are going to go into our warm-up, of course. We have to make sure we are warming up our body, getting ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and get those ball taps, and we're going to get some ball circles in real quick. Okay, remember, we're going high, we're going mid, we're going low. Same thing with our ball circles. We're going high, we're going mid, we're going low. Let's just get a minute each real quick, okay, for our warm-up there. We're not going to do any stretching. We're going to go right into it. I want you to start with a 17 dribble sideline to get those legs moving and going. So we're going to start right away with a dribble 17 sideline. All right. Then after we put those down, we are going to go into some quick agility, and that agility will be our acceleration deceleration drill, where we're running and we're planning with our right leg, and we're running and we're planning with our left leg. Okay. Then after we do that, we are going to get a quick defensive slide in. Okay, we're gonna get those defensive slide in, and then we're gonna get our quick agility quick feet, and then we're gonna do our quick hurdles. Okay, so they're gonna be quick feet, then we're gonna tap in, tap out, and then we'll be ready to go. We're gonna go lane to lane on the layup lines. Okay, so we're going lane to lane. Remember, we're going from block to block, hash mark to hash mark, and then third hash mark to third hash mark, fourth hash mark to fourth hash mark, free throw to free throw, elbow, and then we got drag spot to drag spot. And if you want to go further, some basketball courts have a volleyball line, or you can go straight back to half court. Okay, what we're doing is we're doing 2 sets of that, 2 sets. So we want to make our layups, we want to be quick, we want to get it up fast, and we just want to make that little U motion where we're going and getting our layups. Okay, then we're going to work on dribbling up to the elbow and making a move to the basket. Okay, so we're going to go behind our back, go with our left hand, then we're going to work on countering and coming across the key and finishing. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're only going to do that 3 times each. So there's about 4 sequences of moves, and we're going to go 4 times each. So we're going to go up, go behind the back, boom, finish. Go up, go behind the back, boom, finish. Okay. Then when we go across the key, same concept, going across the key. All right. And that is how we are going to start the day. Now we got 3-cone shooting. Okay. So with our 3-cone shooting, remember, we're going to have a little bit closer than mid-range. So we're going to pull up on each cone. You're going to start on the left or the right side, whichever you would like to do. We're going to go to the second row cones first. You're going to pull up. You're going to hit 3 shots there. Then you're going to pull up on the deeper set of cones, hit 3 shots there. Then we'll go middle. We'll work right and the left hand. We're pulling up short cone first and then coming to the furthest cone. And then we're going to the right side doing the same exact thing. So we're looking to hit 3 shots on each cone. So let's see, if I were to be a mathematician, that's 3, that's 6, that is gonna be 6, and then 6 again, because you're gonna go right and left hand. So we're looking at 12, along with the other 6 that you did on the left side, 18. Then we got another 6, so that's 24. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right there. Then we're going to do 3 level shooting after that. And then you're going to go into star drill 3s so we can run around and get loose and get those shots flying up there. All right. Then you're going to give me another set of 17s dribbling with that we can. Okay. We got to be in the best shape. Don't forget that. Okay, as much as you guys don't like running, we got to be in the best shape. Okay, now everybody probably can't do this next drill after the 17s. It's going to be a quick rebounding drill. This is where we throw it up off the backboard, try to get it at the highest point. If you want to try it, go ahead. If not, this is where you can take your water break. But for those who can do it, throw it up off the backboard, rebound the ball, throw it back into the basket. Whether you're doing it in the air or landing, we prefer that you do it before you touch the ground. So you want to throw it off the backboard, you want to time it, and you want to put it back in. But if you can't do that, we want you to jump at your highest point, come down, secure the rebound, and then go back up strong. Okay. A lot of times, not only will we get a layup off of it, but we'll get an and one finish, and then we can get to that free throw line. And speaking of the free throw line, after you've jumped and tired out your legs, it would be a great time to head over to the free throw line and make a quick set of 10 free throws. Do you feel that? I feel it. It's fatigue. It's being tired. Let's push through being tired and make shots. All right? Come on, basketball, you, the daily trainer. I'm energized. I'm ready to go. And you see I'm out there missing layups and missing jump shots. But guess what? I'm still going. Finishing up with defense. I heard defense wins games. Have you heard that quote before? I have too. Not too sure if it does if you got some really good offensive players. But we're going to work on defense real quick. We're going to do those lane-to-lane slides. Oh, yeah. Can't forget about those. Then we got some zigzag and some sprints. And then we have our new one, our defensive slide, turn and run. Okay, so you're going to defensive slide from the sideline, then turn and run. Okay, we're going to do all of these in 5 sets. Okay, so those legs are going to be a little cooked and a little tired, but guess what? We're going to be all right because we've been here before. All right, we're basketball you. We're going to push through, right? Because what are the questions you're going to ask yourself to keep you motivated? 1, are you in shape? 2, are you in the best shape? 3, can you make plays when you're tired? What does that mean when I say that? Can you make a layup when you're exhausted? Yes, I can make a layup when I'm tired. No, we're talking about when you're sprinting the floor, guarding as hard as you can, crashing the board to get a rebound. Will you then sprint the floor and try to get an easy basket? And when you do that, will you catch it with 2 hands? Will you be able to be balanced enough to finish the shot? Okay, that is what I mean by making plays when you're tired. Can you grab that rebound that no one else can grab? Can you get your hands on that ball that no one else can when it's a 50-50 ball? Can you make plays while you're tired? Okay, that's what all that means. If you can check all the boxes, you're on the right path. Okay, we have reached our point in this beautiful ending of the workout. Remember, we're coming in. We're more focused now. The season has started. Some of you may have won a game. Some of you may have lost a game. It's okay. We are going to do the best we can each game because for some, the games don't count. What do I mean by that? There's no record books for you winning an elementary school game. There's no record book for you winning your junior high basketball game or middle school game. In high school it counts, but only when you're on the varsity level. So make mistakes. Try as hard as you can. And guess what? Try to be better every day and do the best that you can. All right? That's all we got today. Remember, someone's always working. Are you?